let's rewind, shall we?
What's up? Today is a very exciting and special day. I am going to be training with one of my, I don't want to say idols, but like someone I look up to very much in the industry. And I have the opportunity to train with him today. So I just got ready and we have to be out the door now. Gotta go. So Drew's driving me in. Hold on, your screen is blurry. Okay, so when I first started makeup, there was only so many mainstream makeup artists out there. And one of them was Scott Barnes, and I found him through his book. There was no YouTube when I was 17. Well, I think it was just birth, but it wasn't like what it is today. There was Bobby Brown books, there was Kevin Aquan books, and then there were magazines. And as the media progressed on YouTube and all that and making makeup more mainstream, of course that picture with Scott Barnes and Kim Kardashian with the contour went viral. And then Kim started working with Mario. I believe that's the timeline, but I was introduced to Mario via magazine, and I think they were talking about a product that he was creating or created. I think it was a highlighter, and I remember just following his career ever since. He's always been a makeup artist that I looked up to, and one that, you know, remained humble in his craft, works with the top makeup artists, the top celebrities in the world, and like is still himself. I really admire that about him. He doesn't let fame waver him from what he projects out there. I don't know him personally, but that's what I get. And just his style of makeup is something I've always been so drawn to. The insta glam, cut crease kind of looks were never the ones that I felt like made people look the most beautiful. I think they are artistic and in design their own area, but I don't think that's my favorite kind of makeup. My favorite kind of makeup has always been celebrity, soft glamour. And so I get to learn from him today. I've already been to his masterclass in LA. I filmed that a couple years ago, but it's obviously not the same as being in a one-on-one training with somebody. I don't even think I said anything this morning, but he's offering these mini courses. Instead of being in an auditorium of 2,000 people, it's 20 artists in a room, and he's hands-on doing a demo and then helping us perfect our techniques. These trainings, from my understanding, is you have to get approved. You apply and then you get approved whether you're in or not. I don't know the qualifications of the acceptance. I don't know if you have to like meet a certain amount of years in makeup or anything like that, but your girl got approved. So I'm so excited and nervous. I just feel very blessed. I am happy that I'm alive during an opportunity like this, and that you know, like Kevin Aquan is past my time. I feel like this is part of makeup history in a way.
And like, I just want to butt in and say real quick that like when you did the one-on-one stuff with Scott Barnes,
yeah,
you like leveled up. Aww. So like this is gonna be like that again. Like you're gonna level up again. How much can whoissamruh level up?
It's always about progressing. That's the thing. You have to invest in yourself and your craft, and I'm always somebody who believes in that wholeheartedly. Invest in yourself and continue to get better, because as soon as you get to that level you think you're at, there's so much more to learn and get better for. So that's just life in general. You know, I'm a workshop and self-help junkie. This to me is working on myself too, working on my craft, perfecting my craft, getting better at what I love to do. And I still can't believe an opportunity like this is here. So come along with me. I don't know what I'm going to be able to film. I don't know if there's any rules and regulations on filming. So I'm just gonna try to sneak some shots. I mean, I looked over all of like the waivers that we signed. It didn't say anything about not recording. If they say I can't record, then that's another thing. Usually if they say that, I can still record my own kit and stuff. Also for this, we had to get our own models, and I've never met my model before, so that will be exciting. Is there anything left? Nothing. I'm just nervous and anxious and nervous.
Just blessings, blessings.
Just lots of blessings, lots of gratitude, lots of happiness. We just got into the city. We're 5 minutes away. I have anxiety nerves, so I think I'm gonna put my camera in my bag so that I don't I had a layer of, I had to get the shot kind of thing. And then when I'm all set up and in there, I'm gonna get some clips and we'll just like get settled in because I'm just nervous, okay? I'm just nervous, gotta be honest.
Samantha.
There's so much.
Samantha,
there's so much.
You are so fucking talented.
That doesn't have to do with anything.
I know, yeah, but
Thank you though.
I know, but you should just take that and be like, whoa, I'm talented as hell. I'm going to meet another insanely talented person. We're gonna see how talented we both are, and then we're gonna become best friends.
I mean, yeah, why not? Yeah, you think you're talented and then you go show your work tomorrow and you're like, I'm shit.
Samantha.
Yeah, but I'm pooping a little bit, so on the inside. I hope you forgive me. Okay, bye. Oh, pulling up. I'm scared. I need CBD.
My acting professor, he said that one of the best actors in the world, every night he would go on stage, he would throw up like insane amounts because he was so nervous, and he acted all the time. And kind of the saying around that is, if you're not nervous, there's nothing on the line for you, then you're not really passionate about what you're doing.
Yeah, and I'm passionate.
Yeah, you fucking love what you do, and I love you.
Okay, we're here, bye. Oh my god. Wait, where is it? We'll find it. I feel like I've been here before.
We are breaking for lunch. This is her makeup. Just show it all pretty. We're not powdered. We don't have eyelashes yet, but we're gonna get lunch. It's an amazing experience. What do you think about it?
I'm like blown away. I did not expect all of this.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's so fun. All right, we'll check in later. Bye. Completed Daniela's makeup, so we're waiting to get approved by Mario. We're gonna shoot next. It's been a long day. I've had a couple hours in combat boots and my feet are feeling it. So today was fun. I got my certificate. Thank you. Certificate of completion to certify that Sam Rue has completed the master course. I got to meet a couple cool makeup artists. It was definitely great energy to be around. I will, however, say I was expecting a demo. I feel like other courses that I've been to, like, you know, the artist does the demo and then you go and recreate it and then they come around and critique and show you where to improve and stuff. So if I were to give feedback, if you're like thinking of going, I would say this is more an extension of the master class. You would benefit from taking the master course after the master class. But what I think is interesting is that the classes are not close together. It was an amazing experience, but I think I would have learned 10 times more if he would have done the demo. Just some feedback if you are thinking of going and you're wondering what it's like. So what it's like is the morning starts off with breakfast and then all of the artists go into the studio room where we just do our thing. You just pick a look. It's suggested red carpet makeup and we just start doing it, and then he'll be walking around giving feedback. I actually learned a lot from his mentor, Isabel. I am so grateful for the feedback that I did get. And then we broke for lunch in between, and then once we were done we had to get our makeup approved and then off for portfolio images. The photographer was amazing. I really loved the way he shot my model. From there we got a goodie bag, so let me share with you what's in the goodie bag because I didn't even peek. No, I did not. Firstly, they gifted us this eyeliner called I'm So Fly liner. It's an ink pen eyeliner. Oh boo, this is a goodie bag if I've ever seen one. I just saw some goody goods. Sanitation Conversation gift bag, love them. I'm glad that there are some artists like promoting this. Keeping your makeup sanitary is vital. We got Kevin Aquan Unforgettable Lip Definer in Minimal. See, I feel like something like this, we're getting all these awesome goodies. It looks like a lip liner, but it would have been cool to see him use this stuff and then understand like, oh, like that was the lip pencil that he used as blush and now I'm gonna use this shade as blush. I don't know. Ooh, okay. Tatcha the Liquid Silk Canvas Primer. I have to say, this is a valued goodie bag right here. This in itself is, what, 50 bucks? Beautiful, I love Tatcha. Ooh. Eyebrow Queen. I really think these goodie bags are really thoughtful. Wow. That's a lot of product. That's a lot of product. These sponsors are incredibly generous. It's like I bought a new makeup kit. These new brow pencils, wow, this means so much. That's so sweet. This really means a lot because someone like me, I'm a makeup artist, but I don't get sent PR. You know, it's harder for makeup artists who have to buy every shade of a product. It gets so costly. The kit as a whole is very costly. So this is, I really appreciate brands like this who are willing to put that in their goodie bag or PR, anything. Sorry, I just got a little sidetracked. Yes, beauty blender. I'm so eerie about using beauty blenders on clients. I'm gonna probably use this for myself. I don't know, I just think that it's not sanitary. Kevin Aquan Loose Powder. I've never tried this. I'm excited about that. This is an extremely generous gift bag. I wouldn't even think that you would need to go to these measures to give this much, but this is really sweet. Ooh, a little brush, how cute. Shiseido multi-eye brush. That's really cool. I've actually been really into the idea of buying brushes that I normally wouldn't get. So like if you look at this shape, because I feel like when I work with other artists, they always have these brushes and then I want to grab them and do something with them, but I would never bought it myself, if that makes sense. So that's really cool. I like that brush. So many uses out of it. Glass Glow Face Illuminizer from Kevin Aquan. Ooh, yes. That looks awesome. We got Shiseido Gel Lipstick in Coral Pop. How is this packed? Like Kodak film. Very interesting. Oh, pretty. Cute coral. Ooh, that's creamy. That is creamy, girl. I've never really used the brand Shiseido before. Oh, a shirt. That's so cute. Except, who's fitting in that? If I could squeeze these boobs in. Cute. Aww. Ooh, little Shiseido samples of this foundation. See, that's awesome. It's like a mini kit in here. 2 more items. We have brow pencil from that same brand who did the fly liner in the shade brunette, and a resurfacing sleep serum. How cute. That's awesome. I'm really excited to try these Eyebrow Queen products. I really appreciate this brand for being so generous in their, what is this called? Sponsorship. Their sponsorship for this class. Like, even these scissors are so costly, so it really, really means so much. So shout out to Eyebrow Queen as part of the masterclass. Goodie bag. Thank you. Sorry, I'm very, very, very exhausted. Just a fun fact, when I'm doing makeup, do I have a hair tie? Don't think I have a hair tie. When I'm doing makeup, 11 to 4 was on my feet in combat boots, but also a lot of mental creative energy gets taken out and I get very exhausted. So I'm gonna go make dinner. I'm gonna eat. I missed you. I hope you had an amazing day and I hope you enjoyed coming on this special day with me. This is definitely something to check off of a dream list for me, to be able to have met and have my makeup be reviewed and critiqued by Mario. It's kind of priceless. So I want to say thank you. Thank you to Mario again for holding this class. It was a really awesome experience, and I want you to comment below of an experience that would just blow your mind if it came to fruition. Keep the faith that it will happen one day. That's all for today. See you in the next video.